Hey, it's Dave, here to welcome you into the Golf Cart Garage to help out with all the calls and emails we get looking for an affordable, quality rear seat kit. A lot of our customers use their carts on a large property or at work and get in touch with us looking for a basic rear seat kit with a lower price and without all the bells and whistles that you might find on a seat for a neighborhood commuter or a highly customized golf cart. So today, we're looking at a steel seat kit installation on our 2015 Club Car Precedent. And I don't know how to say this to you. Is it Steeleng? Steeleng? I think it's Steeleng.
Easy for you to say.
Okay, tough to pronounce, but easy to install. It's short for Steel Engineering, and this line of seats is available for E-Z-GO and Yamaha models as well, right here at Golf Cart Garage. Once we've got the keys removed, the parking brake engaged, and switched from run to tow inside the battery compartment, we've got to move the plastic SAM assembly that holds the sweater basket and the rear top struts out of the way. A good quick tip here is that the sand bottle holders need to be removed in order to pull the rest of the assembly off the mount on the cart. Then we propped the rooftop up to clear room to install the first brackets for the seat kit underneath the rear SAM assembly. The included directions were great and instructed us next to install a stabilizer bar under the bag well at the rear and thread the bolts through the next set of brackets above inside the bag well itself to hold the rest of the mounting assembly in place. Then I broke from the directions and skipped some steps to install the backrest bracket and cushion so that I wouldn't have to reach over the rest of the seat later to get those installed. Both because I'm short and because a lot of my jokes are enough of a reach as it is. Next, we moved on to installing the foot plate to the mounts in the bag well, along with the supports for the folding seat assembly. And here's another good quick tip, as we've got lots of parts holding each other together here. When in doubt, leave hardware hand tightened until everything is in place, and then get those wrenches out and ready to tighten everything down when complete. Some parts like the folding seat assembly and the arm bars at the side will only allow you to put the hardware in if it's all loose. It's also great to have a friend to help out. An extra set of hands can be a big help when lifting heavy components, or to keep the cushion in place when attaching it to the folding seat frame assembly. And once that cushion is in place, we can set the whole assembly on top of the mounts under the SAM assembly and in the bag well. Some help here would be great too, but a good trick is to set it in place and secure it to one of the mounts under the SAM to keep it in place. Once that's done, it's a good time to revisit the rest of the hardware to make sure it's all tightened up. The last couple of steps here are to install the arm bars and the safety grab bar. Again, leaving the hardware hand tight until it's all in place. The last couple tips here are that the arm bars have padded cup holder armrests available as an option to match the color of the cushions, and that the safety grab bar has an internal stabilizer bar to hold a lip on the folding seat, providing a supported, extra sturdy surface for heavier cargo. So it's best to make sure the brackets are spaced far enough from the footplate to give the seat room to completely unfold. And don't let the sweat fool you. This was one of the easiest installs I've ever done, but I of course chose the hottest day so far of the year to do it, prompting one of our neighbors to comment, "Boy, you sure do make that look difficult." You know what they say about opinions, Jerry. What, that you're entitled to your opinion? What? So why should I buy one for my golf cart? I'm glad you asked. Let's start with this adorable little puppy thinks it's really great, and if you don't buy one, he'll be sad. You don't hate puppies, do you? Some great features to mention here too. Comfortable, durable, marine-grade vinyl on those cushions with a great warranty against fading. available in black, white, or tan, a safety grab bar that comes included with the package, and a fold-open cargo bed with a high-grade polished aluminum diamond plating. We're looking forward to showing you some more Steeleng products in the future, as we're impressed with the quality here and really pleased with the results. But that's another episode for another day. So, if you need help with your installation, parts, diagnosis, or anything else for your golf cart, just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. And hey, while you're here, give us a like and subscribe for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.